Let's assume I want to calculate the sales tax. I would say add column, custom column, and then I can name that column sales tax, and then say, let's say that sales tax is 10%. So 0.10 multiplied by sales. So I just double clicked here, and you cannot put 10%, you have to put in a decimal format. And I have my sales tax. Thing, in my original source data, there's no sales tax. Here there is. Okay. So the next time I add data to the source data, and I open the report or the query, and I click refresh, so I click refresh, what is going to happen? It's going to run all the applied steps from 1 to whatever step I have. So it's going to link to my data all the way. Bam, 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 bam. New data in. Even the new sales tax for the new items, it's going to be there. You don't need to do anything. So there's a little bit of pain depending on the data and how structured, how complex is your business. So there's a little bit of pain at the beginning, and then that's it. You're done. The only thing you do every time you want to update your report, it's click refresh. It's going to run all the steps all the way. This step that I just added, the sales tax, it's here. You see, it says added custom. It doesn't say anything to me. It doesn't help me. So I can right click, go to properties, and rename the step and say calculated tax on sales. And then I can even explain it. We apply a 10% tax to sales. Click OK. So now that step is better. And it's there. And it's not, unless I remove that step, it's going to do the calculation and a changing of the data on the spot. Now, although I did that, what Power BI is doing, it's loading an instance of the data. So my source data is there on my spreadsheet untouched. So I build the connection, I read the data, I can do whatever I want with the data, add new data, calculate, filter, adjust the data. The source data is untouched, so it's not damaged. If the source data changes, and let's say we have like 1,000 records, like 1,000 transactions, and then we have like 2,000 transactions, I don't need to do anything else. If I have done all the calculations, all the steps, all the cleaning, it's going to do it again automatically. Let's assume that if the sales price is more than 1,000, we are going to do like a 5% discount. If it's less than 1,000, no discount. So you can add column, and you can add a conditional column. So you can add a conditionality. You can create rules based on the data that you have. So, and this is user-friendly because look how it's done. So I can say here, so this is discount. Let's put like volume discount. I can say, if my sales is greater than 1,000, then 5%, else 0. Okay, and then I click OK. And now I can change this data type to percentage, and I can see what discount I can apply to based on the volume.